Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off ads on or their personalizations. So let's start with the personalization. Let's open the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Google. Then let's go to all services here, scroll down and go to ads. So basically, this operation, removing advertising ID, will not reduce the advertisements. However, it will basically remove your ID, and the ads won't be that personalized for you. Alright, so I highly recommend to first of all tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID. Delete it, and as you can see, it will be removed, so you will not it will not show you personalized ads. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to actually try to manage the apps which are showing you the advertisements. So let's pretend I'm getting a lot of notifications of connected with the advertisements from Play Store. All we have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Here we've got this option, Manage Notifications, so let's tap on it. And after scrolling down, here you can see the alerts, essentials, etc. And what I highly recommend to do is to actually try to find the category which is connected with the advertisements. So, for example, payments, deals, and recommendations in my case. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher here to turn off the notifications which are connected with the advertisements from this app. So that's one of the options which you can consider. Another thing which you can do is to consider replacing the apps which are showing you advertisements with different apps. So for example, let's pretend I'm using a third-party file manager, and it shows me a lot of advertisements. So what I can do is to basically go to the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection and that you're logged in into your Google account. Then tap on Search Apps and Games and enter File Manager. And now you can try to download different file managers and check in which you will see less advertisements, and basically use it instead of the manager you're using right now or any other app. Just try to find the replacement for this app. And as a last resort, I highly recommend to go to the settings. Here, let's go to the top. Just go to connection and sharing. And here, let's set private DNS. Tap on it. Let's tap on specified DNS. And now all we have to enter here is dns.adguard.com. Okay. Tap on Save. And basically, as you can see, it was added, and it should limit a lot of advertisements. Beware, because sometimes you won't be able to enter a specific website or something, but no worries, just come back here, set it to the auto, try to enter the website again, and after finishing, just come back here and set the specified DNS. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.